Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're diving into a must-have for any vinyl enthusiast, the Boundless audio vinyl record sleeves. If you're serious about protecting your records and preserving the quality of your collection, these sleeves are designed to make a noticeable difference. These are 100 premium vinyl inner sleeves, made from a combination of high-density polyethylene and rice paper. This 3-layer design is acid-free and waterproof, which means your records are shielded from dust, scratches, and even static buildup. Unlike basic paper sleeves, these materials provide a smooth, durable surface that lets your vinyl slide in and out without the risk of micro scratches. Each sleeve is sized to fit standard 12-inch LPs perfectly. The fit is snug enough to hold the record securely, yet not so tight that it's difficult to use. The flap-free design and precise cut add to the ease of handling, while a subtle branding near the opening helps you quickly identify which side to insert first. This ensures a simple and frustration-free experience, even when managing a large collection. The combination of the HDPE outer layer and rice paper insert is particularly smart. The rice paper adds extra rigidity, making the sleeve feel more substantial and archival. The vinyl feels protected, organized, and cared for, giving your records an elevated storage experience that goes beyond what standard inner sleeves offer. These sleeves are also designed for longevity. The materials won't degrade over time like traditional paper, ensuring your collection remains in top condition for years. Whether you're replacing old, worn-out sleeves or starting a new collection, these sleeves provide consistent protection and reliability. With a pack of 100, you get plenty to upgrade an entire collection, making this a cost-effective solution for both collectors and DJs. They're easy to handle, durable, and anti-static, making them an essential part of any vinyl care routine. In short, if you want your records to stay pristine, maintain their sound quality, and avoid scratches and dust, the Boundless audio vinyl record sleeves are an excellent investment. They combine premium materials, thoughtful design, and ease of use into a product that any vinyl lover will appreciate. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're looking to elevate the care of your vinyl collection, these sleeves are definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews of essential products.